Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have some exciting news for all the students out there. GitHub Education is offering verified students the GitHub Foundation certification exam for free. In this video, I'll explain what GitHub Education is, what the GitHub Student Developer Pack includes, and how you can avail this free certification. So let's get started. First, let's talk about GitHub Education. GitHub Education provides students with free access to various developer tools and resources to help them learn and grow. It's a fantastic initiative aimed at empowering students with the skills they need to succeed in the tech industry. On the GitHub Education website, you will find a range of resources, including the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which offers free access to premium tools and services from GitHub partners. Now, let's take a closer look at the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This pack includes over 100 offers and benefits, such as free access to GitHub Pro, cloud services, coding tools, and much more you could see here. To get the GitHub Student Developer Pack, you need to be a verified student. Once verified, you can access all these amazing tools for free. Now, let's talk about GitHub Foundation Certification Exam. This certification is designed to validate your foundational knowledge of GitHub, including repository management, collaboration features, and much more. The best part is that verified students can take this certification exam for free. Now, let's see the sign up process. Go to the GitHub Education website and click on Join GitHub Education. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will have access to the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Now, navigate to the pack and explore the various offers available to you. Now, let's see how to register for a GitHub Foundation exam for free. Go to GitHub Foundation certification page and log in with your GitHub account. Make sure you logged in as a verified student. Click on Register for Exam and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Since you are a verified student, the exam fee will be waived. GitHub provides a range of study resources to help you prepare for an exam. These includes study guides and learning modules. Make sure to go through these resources thoroughly to boost your chances of success. And you will have a learning materials from Microsoft as well. And that's it for today. By following these steps, you can avail the free GitHub Foundation certification exam for free and add a valuable credential to your resume. If you found this video helpful, keep supporting my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.